Hello guys, I just created a Marvel superhero app using Marvel Developer API. So it has three pages. The first page is search, and second page is favorites, and third page is about that superhero. So in the first page, you can search any superhero. On every key presses, it will show the results. So I'm searching Iron Man. So on the page itself, you can favorite your superhero by clicking this star button. So on clicking the star button, it's also favorites, and clicking on the title of the name, it will open more about that superhero. So in this page, we have one section for image and name, and some description, and this will animate in translate X direction. So for comics, stories, and events and series. So for this one, let's see about the code, and clicking on home, it will take you here. So for code, the first one is index.html. In the index.html is connected to index.js file. In this index.js file, we have a add event listener. So for every key up, it will call the function handle search. We can call this function handle search. Okay, this function will call an API and passing my val. The val is a name. So for every API hit, I will get a result. After I am getting the result, if any previous results were there, I need to remove that results also. So this doing that function, and after that the result is got, the result is a array of objects. So I am processing that objects, and I am adding the images, and adding the style as well, and adding a tag for it, and I am adding a style for it. So there are two functions need to carry out. One is add event listener for clicking the star to handle favorites, and one is on clicking in the title, it will go to index superhero separate page. So for handle favorites, the handle favorites, while clicking on that, I am passing a id to the parent element. Through that id, I will get the id from the parent element, and I have one some separate array favorite. So if it is already located in favorite, it will act as a splice, and if it is not inside the favorite array, it acts as a push method. And after that all the operation, I am storing each my favorite to local storage, and before storing it, I am using json.stringify to store as a string elements for the favorite array. So this happens in the front end for index dot first page, and the second page is favorite.html. While the favorites are shown here, it's just a div and grid CSS. So in the favorite.css, I just first by calling my favorite as empty array. So and after empty array, I am calling this function local storage.get item. So if any favorite is located in that string, I am have JSON parse it and store it in this favorite as a array. So after this array has came, I calling this API with each item having an index. So favorite having index, that index is passed for all the favorite superhero. For each favorite hero, I am creating an image and div for it, and append to the parent element. And this handle favorite, also we can remove that favorite image from favorite hero from that favorite page. So third page is superhero HTML page. So in that section, I am passing this ID in the query URL itself. Using window.location.search object, I am getting that ID. So after the ID is got, I passing to that this API. So this API will get my fetch my data, and all the uh, corresponding results were appended dynamically and using their document.getElement by id. So this one like works like that. Similarly for comics, stories and events series. So I will show you favorite and all. So Iron Man is my favorite. So I will uncheck all the favorite icons. I think there are no more. Go to favorites. So it's empty. I'm back home. Iron Man, I'm favorite this one. Simple Iron Man. Going to favorites, it's still present. I can uncheck here also. And Thor. So Thor, God of Thunder, this one. For this one also work like this. And I can favorite him as Thor. So Thor is my favorite hero. We can remove from here as well. Thank you.